Hello everyone, welcome to Indian share market and stock analysis for 15th January 2024. If you are watching our channel for first time, please subscribe to the channel Share Market C2C to get our regular updates. Wishing you all happy Pongal and Sankranti for some of the states they are celebrating. Let's get into the video. This is our agenda for the discussion today. So coming to Indian market open and closure data, what a bull run. The dream of 22,000 landmark achieved finally today after the quick rally of 21,000 landmark. The bull run is keep going without non-stop rally. So the bulls are going super fast. So this is really something we have to be very careful whenever the correction comes. Also sometimes it will be the same. If any negative news or the bad news or some geo tension factors coming in, so always that we suggesting you cannot wait for the correction to come to enter on time. The bull run, you have to join the rally to get if you are an investor. Otherwise, if you wait for the long correction, you will not get into board. That's why we keep on saying that whenever you are getting the dips of 200-300 points correction, you have to start accumulating so that if further fall, you can still accumulate more, or if there is a bull run, you can continue with whatever you are getting with investment. So 22,000 new landmark been achieved. So with that, we can say 21,450 will remains as a strong support from here for the further bull run, as it was hit multiple times and the market having broken with the 21,450 level. So with that, we will be looking forward. The market can be expecting to the level of 22,300 as a near-term expectation. So for this year, many experts have given the range of 24,000. If all the info favors like political informations and with the Q3 results and upcoming strategic plan of the companies, then this bull run is possible, along with the global news like Fed minutes, rate cuts and the inflation data as well. So Sensex and Nifty hit all-time highs. Sensex with 73,300 mark and Nifty with 22,000 mark been achieved. However, Bank Nifty, it is very close to 52 weeks high. So this is the only index not hitting a 52 week high among the major indexes. So IT again rallied today along with HCL and Wipro. Along with this, the TCS and Infosys also join hands for the IT along with the Reliance. HDFC Bank today make a miracle move ahead of its results tomorrow. So the result is tomorrow. It seems similar action what Infosys did on last Thursday. It moved in the last 15 minutes candle nearly to a percentage. However, we are expecting there will be a good results in HDFC. If there was a good result tomorrow expected in HDFC, then 52 week high of Bank Nifty also can be broken tomorrow itself. Let's wait and watch how the US market behaving today, so we'll get a hint of it. So coming to the overview of Q3 results of HDFC, so the experts are predicting that the net interest income will be expected at 28,846, more than the previous quarter of 27,385 crores. And they are also predicting that the net profit will be lesser than the previous quarter. They are expecting net profit around 15,910. So since the year-on-year figures is not comparable, as there is after the merger of HDFC and HDFC Bank. So if the expectation is been beaten, so there we can see a powerful rally with the banking sectors as well. This is the key thing to watch for tomorrow, so which will trigger another movement in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Coming to Indian market key news, ETF flows hit a record in 2023 by analyst view. So ETF, which is exchange traded fund, which came into 2023 is about 8.6 billion, which was more than 2021, where it was recorded 7.4 billion as the highest. So this is massive fund flow which is continuing and making the bull run further. India's wholesale inflation data is released, which came with a 9-month high around 0.73 percentage in December, where November it was ended with 0.26. So this is bit higher. However, RBI they are stating it will be cooled down once the CPI data been coming reduced as well. Next, about Zomato stock falls around more than 4.4 percentage after there was a block deal happened today for around 600 crores. So that's the reason the stock ended lower today with 133.40. Next is about BHEL shares. It hit 52-week high after they winning their 15 crore new project, which will be executed in 64 months. We have given a technical call also on this BHEL, which is currently trading at 201.25, which still have potential to move forward. JSW Energy commissioned 350 megawatts unit at in Bharat Thermal Power in Odisha. So after the profit booking, the stock fall, so it ended lower today. So it hit the high of 483 in today's morning trade. Next is about Evoke Remedies. It's a micro cap, trading at a range of 12 rupees. This promoters of this company, they have diluted almost 72% of their stake, which is the reason it's coming into a lower circuit for the second consecutive day. Man Industries secures new order of worth 400 crore. So this company having an order book worth of 1300 crore, which can be executed in next 6 months. This is very good fundamental stock. So currently the stock is trading at the range of 360 rupees. Today it's up by 6.8%. Polycab India, it's jumped 5% against to that recent IT news which came. They have declared again that there is no demand notice served by the income tax department stated by the company. Because of that, the stock surged 5% up. However, still official declaration comes. These type of small movements, please don't invest on this time. You have to wait for, even though you couldn't enter on it, please don't mind on it. You have still further quality stocks to get in until the clarification comes in. Large cap stock, which is FMEG sector, which is electrical sector. Havells is going to most probably declaring a dividend in the upcoming their board meeting. So currently the stock is trading at the range of 1440. So once their meeting is on Jan 23rd, we can expect the dividend they could be announcing on it. This stock already raised 8% in 1 month. Just Dial, we have given in the news yesterday in week ahead program that it posted a very good Q3 result. Because of that, this stock performed more than 1.82% today. Ultra Cap, this stock locked in lower circuit for the third straight session because of the same issue that shareholding of the promoters been reduced from 59.69% to 27 to 89%. Whenever the promoters are moving out of the company, the people will lose the faith of the company. That's the reason they are getting into lower circuit. Lupin, after getting the US FDA nod for hypertension drug, it rises again. So it ended with 1415. So the drug was manufacturing at the Pithampur facility. PCBL, which is a commodity sector stock, it declared a 5.5 rupees dividend per share. It is a very good dividend for the stock, which is trading at the range of 275. So they are fixed the date of 29th January as a record date for this stock. Next is about Kodai Technolab. This current trading at 769. They are listed newly in SME company sector, which locked in upper circuit because of they won the new order of 30 crores. IRFC, it rallied more than 300% in 1 year. It gave more multiple returns. I have few stocks on this few stocks on this. I bought an average of 50 rupees. It given a good return for me. This stock still it is all the railway sectors going to perform very well based on the upcoming budget announcement as well. Avalon Technology, after they have a tie-up with the Center of Development Advanced Computing, which they are along with the government Rudra program to design and manufacturing supercomputers in India. The shares raised more than 2%, closed at the range of 555.9. Geo Financials raised today more than 4.5%, after they are expecting good results from Q3. The brokerage KR Choksi have given a buy call for the target of 290 for the short term. LIC gained again 3% after the 2 days of down, where they have cleared that the income tax refund of 25,464 crore is related to interim bonus of given to the policy holder in the past 7 assessment years. That is been clarified, so the stock again performing well. IRB Infrastructure, the stock gained more than 1.3% up. They have announced it executing a concession agreement for TOT 13 project with NAI. RBI proposes further harmonized regulations for HSFC and NBFCs, which is housing finance companies and non-banking finance companies, which may be negative for for the NBFCs. Today we can see a fall of Bajajfinance more than 2.3%, as they are strengthening their regulations. Recent times it's falling and rising happening because of RBI is focusing more on the NBFCs and HFCs. So be aware of Bajaj Finance. The Bajaj Finance is technically good, and I am currently holding some stocks. But if there is some corrections, I will be accumulating on this stock. Coming to FII and DAI focused stock, and which is a multi-backer. Today we bring with one good stock, which is called OK Play India. This is a leader stock in market who are creating of toys and plastic products. This stock is planning to have a stock split as well. Currently, back-to-back upper circuits been circuit locked is been happen on this stock, and most probably there will be a announcement on January 30th stock split for this stock from the face value 10 to 1. So it will be divided into 10 for this stock. Currently, the stock is trading at 166.30. The FIIs are showing interest, like a Saint Capital Fund. Along with this, 15 other investors are showing interest on this. They have almost accumulated 5 lakh of crores of shares, which is significantly around 6.25 crore. This is a small cap, micro cap stock, but this stock have a potential to grow more. So based on this, we can expect a good return on this stock in future. Here are some brokerage recommendation calls which is given by Sharekhan and MK Global Financials. They have given a target for HCL Technologies. They are bullish. Sharekhan bullish with a target of 1780. MK Global given a target of 1700. Currently traded at the range of 1588. Already this stock been moved more than 10% in recent times. Kaveri Seeds LKP Research is bullish on this stock, currently trading at the range of 661. So they set a target of 806. Wipro Sharekhan is bullish on this stock. They set a target of 530, currently trading at the range of 494. Today it opened with 10% upper circuit lock. However, there was a sell-off happen. It ended at 494.60. Coming to commodity sector, today the crude was down after the recent hike, so it traded in range of 72.13. Gold is up, so we can see in Indian commodities 144 rupees higher, so it's 62,506. And USD to INR, it rises by 6 paisa to settle at 82.89. This is really very good positive for Indian reserves of foreign currencies. And Bitcoin, it down after the recent that ETF been not agreed by India and some other countries, so it surged more down by more than 6 to 7%. Today we have to see how it's going to open. Global news, there is a news that foreign investors that they are resume selling with Chinese equities in this year. So there are more selling been happening, and almost like 7.9 billion yuan, which is equivalent to 1.1 billion USD is being sold, taken out from Chinese market, which we can see that is reflecting in Indian market. They are investing in Indian market. That's how the positivity connecting foreign investors. So we hope the investment will continue with us. So that's it for today. I hope this video is beneficial for you for your daily stock market updates. If please support beneficial, please like the video, share to your network, subscribe to the channel to get regular updates. Thank you. Stay safe, investor.